Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make Umai Ikan, the fish that I bought just now at one of our supermarket here. First we have some ginger, lime, 5 to 6 pieces of chili, 4 pieces of red onion, a little bit of salt. Okay, first of all, we take our fish and we cut into small pieces. Small pieces like this. Put into our bowl. So here is the ginger. We cut it like this. Okay, next we cut the red onion. Cut our chili, so we remove the seed. Then we cut it into small pieces like this. Okay. Last but not least, we prepare for our lime. So we cut it slightly like this. So here is the result. So the rest of the lime, just take the water, cut it like this. Okay, so we have done our part just now. We prepare for all the ingredients first. Then next, it's time to mix all the ingredients. So first of all, we're gonna put our red onion. Then followed by our chili, our ginger, our lime, the water, and our salt. So we add a little bit first, then we try it later. So mix it well. And then lastly, don't forget to put our lime skin just now. Wow, okay, after we mix all the ingredients, our Umai Ikan are ready to serve. So let's try it, guys. So we take the fish first. We try the fish. A little bit sour, spicy, and nice. So I hope you guys can try to make Umai Ikan at your own home. Because the recipe is very simple and easy to buy at your supermarket. So that's all from me. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye.